Oh, look, y'all. This was so cute. I love this one. Look at that. So, y'all, tonight I'm going to be using a wooden piece, and it does have a beveled edge there. And then I'm going to be using several rice papers tonight. One of them is Decoupage Queen rice paper, which is this background rice paper. But these came all together in a page. We're going to get started because I got some painting to do. Hey, I'm going to paint this white. I think I may paint. I'll tell you what. Let's start off with the edge. That way I don't have to be so perfect on here. We will try a few colors here. So this is Paint Pixie metallic. We will, let's see, we're going to paint this because we are going to put that rice paper on here. All right, let's dry that. Got this little wooden, this is solid wood, just little. So we got that painted. Let's get this paper on here. Hold on. I need something to trim this stuff with. Here we go. I think this will work. So this is what we've got so far. Let's paint our little heart. I'm gonna take this little cutie right here, and I'm gonna put her over. Okay. We're just going to decoupage her right there. I'll see y'all how cute. I think I want to fine line crackle, so we'll get that going. We're going to do the two-step crackle, Pint Art Products. The fine line crackle, we're going to do that. It's a two-part. We'll go ahead and do that. Now, so we got her so far. Well, that's cooling off and drying. We're going to bring this back, and I think I'm going to add a little pearl. We got that wrapped around that beveled edge there. I think that's good. We're going to do the second step in our fine line crackle. Now the key, and I've learned this the hard way, is to have two, you don't want to use the same brush, that's for sure. You want two clean, not wet, they can't be wet, brushes. Can't see if it cracked on this side or not. I think so. Okay, we're going to let it dry because it's very hot. And I think I'm just going to put some, I think some pigment. I'm using some kind of, what color is it? It's like a bronze. Okay, so I think maybe you can see the cracks, but if I leave it overnight, it will continue to crack before I seal it. And we're going to place that on here, this little cute heart on here. You know, shelf sitter. And then we're going to add our Totally Dazzled piece right here. I'll just show y'all. Isn't that pretty? Let's see if this will work. It may not stick. I may have to use the hot glue. Let me see. Got it in there. Okay, so now we got that bling around there, and let's finish this up. Y'all, I wish I could see who's gonna win, or has someone already picked? I don't even know. All right, so I'm gonna put just this random little piece right here. It's just a little little piece of lace. With this little foam flower that you can get at Hobby Lobby. And I'm just placing that right there. Right there. And then I've got one more thing to put on here. And I'm just getting some ribbon. I've got this loose ribbon here. I don't even know where I got this. Hobby Lobby, maybe? Okay, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to, how am I going to do this? Let's get this down first. I'm going to take my Fabri-Tac and I'm going to put these two ribbons together somehow. And then I'm just going to make a little, kind of like a little loop. I'm just going to make a little loop like this. If it doesn't fall off, y'all. If it doesn't fall off. Okay. So here we go. Just a little, I went non-traditional with this.